Hello, this is Heidi Clayton. This is my Descrit number 3 for the EDIT class. I have completed my Module 2, which is 2 out of 5. I still have a good ways to go, currently working on number 3. But this gets into my project where I want to show work samples, artifacts, really digs into helping administrators learn avenues to better evaluate using the new Gwinnett Speech Language Pathology Evaluation System. So things I've learned. I think I've gotten better with my voiceover, my voice narration. I feel a little more natural in this video. I learned how to use graphs. I'm actually using tables from PowerPoint and then just taking a HyperSnap picture of that and incorporating them as a graphic into Camtasia. I've learned that I'm going to be more successful in editing if I layer elements. So this is a graphic and then this is an annotation that comes in later on Camtasia. Excuse me. I've learned how to layer pictures on top of each other, so using different graphics from different avenues. I like this feature that I've learned. I'm actually making videos and going to our portal and showing where principals can find further information from resources that are already there instead of me recreating. I learned that I have so much content to cover that I'm having to discover ways to reduce that and share avenues that the learner can go and find further information on their own. I learned a few more annotations, animations. Animations is the word I'm looking for, with my pictures to provide a little bit of movement within the video production, just to give it a little more interest. I learned how to layer graphics as well.
Be used. Note that standard scores are not required for articulation tests as they're compared to developmental norms.
And then give it some animation to flip through there. Continuing on, this is a new feature that I started to use, the annotations to point things out in documents with the graphics over here. I flipped through a whole document showing what I was referring to in my voiceover. That was a fun journey. I hope it turns out well.
The reason for referral or evaluation should be noted. Case history should note any pertinent information collected in record reviews, parent, and/or teacher reports. This student's domains of articulation, voice, and fluency were measured informally with conversational sampling.
So then I include various pages of the same document and just flip through it so they can better learn what that document should involve. That was a challenge editing, so I had to make sure that I was grouping those areas together. So when I went back to edit or move things through the project, that it would all move together. So 4 or 5 tracks would move together in one group. This is my project 2. I feel like it's a complete project. I have gotten feedback from a member of my advisory board for my applied project, and they said that they were very impressed with my first time out and that they are not an SLP, but they felt like they came away with some really valuable information for what my goal was for this project. So that seems like it's the best product and best feedback that I could get from someone. Thank you for your feedback.